Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to put picture behind the text in publisher document. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video, I will show put picture behind the text in publisher document. Now firstly go into the insert menu option. Now click for a picture option. Now select from picture. Now click for insert option. That's it. Now resize your picture. Now we can see put picture behind the text. Now go into the select from a text box. Now go into the format menu option. Then click for a being forward. Then click for a being to font. That's it. Then we show put picture behind the text in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.